That's the activation done. We did quite well on 40 metres, but this video's not about that. It's about the 5 things I dislike about portable radio. No particular order again. So number 1 is the weather. I'm a fair weather activator me, so don't like it when it's too cold or too wet, and it's a bit cold up there, so that's why I'm finishing up a bit early. It is a pity because in England we get mainly rain. Well, not all the time, but you know what I mean. Second one is the weight of kit. Now I used to use ASIO FT857 for 2 metres. When I was done HF, I use a dipole, and if I can't use a dipole, I use vertical, which means taking an antenna tuner, and it gets heavy. And I'm trying to lighten my kit up a bit, so that's just like using heavy equipment. Third one is QRM from other amateurs, particularly on HF. Instead of waiting you to say QRZ, you know, like next caller, they just keep calling over you and over you and over you. I'm like, I'm not going to work you if you keep on calling over me. Also, I get an issue with those who, when you're asking for your station for signal report and they don't quite get you because there's more QRM, another station goes, oh, he wants your signal report. It's not helping. Stop it. Go away. Next one, third one is people asking you to do extra bands. Oh, if you're doing 20, could you do 80? And it does but it's more stuff to carry. And while you would like to get the contacts on whichever band, you know, maybe you only have a certain frequency band available to you. I can't carry all this dipoles up. I can't carry all this equipment up. Can't do it. Next one. QRM from pager towers. Yes, they do stick an antenna on top of a hill, and it's annoying. But sometimes the front end filtering on some radios is terrible. It's annoying. You just can't activate with it. But such is life, eh? And the 5th one, I'm doing this on the fly and I can't remember what it was. Yeah, there's not a 5th one. Let me know what you think in the description, and if I come for a 5th one, I'll tag it onto the end of the video. Bye for now, 73.